What's up? Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another tech video for you. This is going to be another home product. I reviewed a Phillips toothbrush before, or we did an unboxing for it a few years ago, and that video garnered a few views. So I thought it was worth an update. My actual toothbrush broke. Phillips sent me a replacement, and it seems to have the same issue. I actually dropped it the second time. That's why I went and purchased another one instead of complaining to Phillips. So if you're using a Phillips toothbrush like this, you never want to slap it down. Like, I would just get out of the shower and slap it down, and then I would hit it with something and it would fall. And that was the end of that toothbrush. It started slowly dying. And I've noticed there is a weak point at the actual needle of the toothbrush up here, and there's a little silicone seal, and that can get gunked up and damaged over time. I was hoping that they replaced that with something else, but it is possible that they're using that for some reason that I don't know, to make sure the toothbrush doesn't last 10 million years and then people don't buy their products again. I don't think they found the sweet spot, because I see a lot of reviews for this toothbrush dying early in its life cycle, and I think you should get 2 to 3 years for a toothbrush at this price point. This was $300, guys. I purchased it at Best Buy. I'm going to have links down below for Amazon, and those do not affect you. You do not pay for using them, but if you like to shop, please use them, as they do greatly help the channel out. I really do like Phillips toothbrushes. I've been using them for about 10 years now, all the way back to some of the first ones that they came out with. I think the vibration intensity works better than Oral-B's kind of vibrate and rotate method, and they can be a little expensive for the premium models, but I really do enjoy using them. And I do feel like when the toothbrush is working properly, it is kicking the plaque out of your mouth. Like, literally, you don't even have to move the toothbrush, zzz, and you can just feel your teeth. They've really never felt cleaner. I floss at least once a day, and I brush twice a day. If this one does not last as long as my other one, which was about 3 years, maybe a little more, with the replacement from Phillips, so I would say I probably got 1.5 years out of each one. The first time I did not drop it, but it still stopped functioning. The second time, I do think it was a user error. If this toothbrush does not last at least 2 to 3 years, I'm probably gonna stop using Phillips toothbrushes. But I've had a pretty good experience with the functionality of them, and the toothbrush heads last a long time. And now you've got smart functionality to just sweeten the pot. So I think I'm gonna give it one more shot, guys. My main issue with these toothbrushes is gonna be the build quality. That little metal head, if you touch it or press it too hard, it could break, and also that silicone can let in toothpaste gunk and all sorts of stuff and liquids. You want to be careful, monitor that, clean it, but don't scrub it too hard, because you do not want to damage it and get water in the toothbrush. It could be user error damaging the toothbrush. It could be just a long period of use. It could be water damage. I don't really know what's happening to these toothbrushes, but if you look online at Amazon, a lot of people have been complaining about them, guys. So just a heads up there.